This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. Rolex Sports Watches are some of the most popular and sought-after watches in the world. They are known for their durability, reliability, and iconic design. Rolex Sports Watches are designed to withstand the rigors of active lifestyles, making them perfect for everything from diving to mountaineering to everyday wear. What are the most accessible Rolex Sports models to purchase if you are in the market for a Rolex watch? Most of us are specifically interested in finding out which models are currently obtainable through official Rolex retailers and not in the secondary market. Keep in mind that the easiest Rolex watch to acquire can change based on availability and market conditions. In this video brought to you by the Luxury World, we will provide you with a more comprehensive overview and we will examine Rolex sports watches in terms of their general accessibility, ranging from the most readily available to the most challenging to obtain through authorized dealers. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, we encourage you to do so now to stay informed about our future videos. Rolex Explorer Reference 124270. The Rolex Explorer is a watch designed specifically for exploration and mountaineering. It is easy to get from an authorized dealer, with a wait time of 6 to 18 months. The watch is popular among adventurers and watch enthusiasts alike due to its durable 36mm stainless steel case and smooth bezel. The Explorer is also versatile enough to be worn on adventurous journeys or at sophisticated events. Whether you are conquering new frontiers or making your mark in the boardroom, the Rolex Explorer is a statement of your journey and a reflection of your unparalleled taste. Rolex Air King Reference 126900. The Rolex Air King is one of the easiest Rolex watches to get from an authorized dealer, with a wait time of 6 to 12 months. It is a classic tool watch with understated elegance, featuring a 40mm stainless steel case, a smooth matching bezel, and a black dial with luminous hands and Arabic hour markers. The Air King is a celebration of Rolex's commitment to aviation heritage and exceptional craftsmanship. It is the best entry-level Rolex you can get from an authorized dealer easily. Rolex Yachtmaster. The Rolex Yachtmaster is a watch that was introduced to strengthen the ties between Rolex and the sailing world. It is an easy watch to get from an authorized dealer, with a wait time of 6 to 18 months. The Yachtmaster is a collection of watches that blends function and style, while also being waterproof and perfect for water sports. With 3 case sizes to choose from, there is a Yachtmaster for everyone. The Oyster Flex bracelet is robust and dependable, making it the perfect watch for the uncertain weather and unknown incidents that can occur during sailing adventures. The all-gold and Rolex versions of the Yachtmaster are the easiest models to get from an authorized dealer. Rolex GMT-Master II. The Rolex GMT-Master II is one of the hardest Rolex watches to purchase, with a wait time of 12 to 24 months. It was designed specifically for airline pilots and rapidly became the watch of choice for aviators and world travelers alike. Even clients with great relationships and purchase history have difficulty acquiring the GMT-Master II due to the exceptionally high demand for its iconic models. If you want to have a Rolex GMT-Master II, you must create a good rapport with your authorized dealer and be willing to wait. The Rolex GMT-Master II is a highly sought-after watch with a long wait list. It is the perfect watch for aviators and world travelers alike, but even clients with great relationships with authorized dealers can have difficulty acquiring one. Rolex Submariner. Were you aware that the Rolex Submariner stands out as one of the preferred watches among Wall Street bankers? This timepiece's design has been entirely shaped by the practical requirements of divers, as it serves as a vital underwater survival tool. These watches excel not only in providing precise timekeeping during dives, but also seamlessly complement formal and business attire. Given its immense popularity, the Rolex Submariner often comes with a substantial waiting list. If you have a positive history of purchases with an authorized dealer, you can expect to secure a Submariner within 6 to 12 months. However, for those without such a history or relationship, obtaining a Submariner is highly unlikely. In other words, if you want to buy a Rolex Submariner, you need to be patient and have a good relationship with an authorized dealer. Rolex Sea Dweller. The Rolex Sea Dweller is one of the most reliable and durable dive watches ever made. It has a water resistance of up to 13,000 feet and a highly functional rotating bezel, making it the perfect watch for people who want to explore the deep ocean. Although the Submariner is a more popular model, the Sea Dweller has a dedicated following among serious divers and watch collectors. The average waiting time for a Sea Dweller is 3 to 18 months, even for buyers with strong relationships or decent purchase history. Rolex Sky Dweller. Designed with the needs of business travelers in mind, The Skydweller watch provides the convenience of displaying 2 time zones and boasts an annual calendar function. The Skydweller is a complex GMT watch that is popular with travelers and businessmen. Stainless steel Skydweller models, such as the reference 326934, can also have waitlists of several years. Among Rolex's current lineup, the Skydweller stands out as the most intricate timepiece due to its complex movements. The production of these models, owing to their intricate mechanisms, has a significant impact on the length of waiting lists. Much like many other Rolex models, the Skydweller is highly sought after, resulting in a protracted waitlist and making it exceedingly challenging to obtain. These watches have been conspicuously absent from authorized dealer highlights for years, and there is no expectation of their return anytime soon. If you have a positive history with the dealer, be prepared for a waiting period ranging from 8 to 24 months before you can expect to acquire a Rolex Skydweller. Rolex Daytona. The most challenging stainless steel sports watch to acquire is undoubtedly the Rolex Daytona. This timepiece is the preferred choice of motorsport enthusiasts and has consistently been one of the brand's most sought-after models for several years. Whether crafted from stainless steel or precious gold, these watches are currently causing a fervor in the market. To secure one, it is not only necessary to have an outstanding rapport with the dealer but also a substantial purchase history. To be candid, this level of commitment is required even for models made from precious metals, as the waiting period remains exceedingly long. For most eligible clients, the Rolex Daytona has a waitlist ranging from 1 to 3 years. If you are interested in buying a Rolex watch, it is important to be patient and persistent. You may need to wait several years for your desired model to become available at an authorized dealer. You may also want to consider buying a Rolex watch from a gray market dealer, but be aware that you will likely pay a premium. It is crucial to note that the availability of various Rolex watches is always subject to variation based on the specific authorized dealer. Rolex retailers do not always have control over which models they receive. This means that even if a model is easy to obtain, a particular store may not have it in stock. It is important to note that delivery times and waiting lists are not the same thing. Delivery time refers to how long it takes for a retailer to receive a model once they have ordered it. A waiting list refers to the number of people who have expressed interest in buying a particular model and are willing to wait for it to arrive. If you are interested in purchasing a Rolex, it is best to contact a retailer and ask about their availability. Each store's availability and situation will differ. If you approach a retailer asking for models that they do not receive requests for multiple times a day, they will be more likely to assist you. This is because they will know that you are serious about buying a Rolex and that you are not just wasting their time. What are your thoughts on the Rolex sports watches that can be obtained from Rolex AD? Which of them do you find easiest and hardest to get? We would love to see your comments and opinions in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Thank you for watching The Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.